caught a seller breaking the rules, here's how to report them and get them removed. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 3 tips to make sure those rule breakers are completely kicked off of Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so we see this product right here, and they are a rule breaker. So a lot of this, so this is called a Adultopoly board game. Okay, they have 1-star review, whatever, they're making sales. But let's say you sell an adult game or whatever, and they're stealing all your sales. They're showing up on page number 1. You're pissed, right? Now, if a product, if you know Amazon's policies, if a product has like sexual images that may not be okay for kids, you can report it to Amazon, and then they'll get hit with something called an adult flag. When they get hit with an adult flag, their sales rank disappears, they can't run Amazon ads, and then pretty much almost nobody can see their listing. So their listing, if they had 100 sales a month, it would probably decrease to around 10 sales per month. So it decreases their sales by around 50 to 90% with an adult flag. Now, I don't want to see my children or anyone else's children see something like this. You can see that there are images on here all the way at the top. There's images that like are not allowed. But anyway, you want to learn how to report them. And you can even see if you type in Adultopoly on Amazon, you'll see here's the game that we want to report. Here's another one, and they have to blur it out. That's how you can get around the adult flag. But this one didn't, and this one's making all the sales. So we could potentially report them and then get their listing, not removed, but get the listing flagged as an adult listing and decrease their, pretty much nobody will find their listing. They won't be a competitor anymore. And it's very difficult to get the adult flag removed once you get it, unless you know what to say. So the first thing that we want to do is we found the item, we found the policy. Now we need to actually look at the Amazon policy. What are they violating? So I did adult product Amazon policy. I just Googled it. And what will come up is policy update, adult products, and explicit sexual imagery. So we can click on that. And we can go to further information right here. And it's going to give us the actual policy. Now we have the actual policy right here where it says, okay, what are the adult products? No explicit sexual imagery or nudity. The product packaging or listing must not be sexually suggestive or intended to elicit a sexual response, which this one definitely does. So the first thing we want to do is take a screenshot of this. So you would just take a screenshot and just show them that, like, okay, this, like, all the sexual stuff on here. So you could do like an arrow, and then we could do like another arrow, and then another arrow. There's like a lot of sexual stuff on here. And it's pretty easy if they look into it. You can kind of just like tell, right? But you might need to zoom in and see the listing more to see what is sexually suggestive on there. But you want to take a screenshot of that. You also want to take a screenshot of this, of the actual policy, just to show Amazon, because you want to make it idiot proof. So whoever at Amazon, if they're working long hours, you know, they're tired, they're lazy, you are literally giving them everything they need to be like, okay, this is approved, right? So again, we would save this, and that way Amazon has everything they need. Next but not least, what we're going to do is we're going to go to brand registry. So you're going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com, and then you're going to log in. And once you log in, you're going to go to support and contact brand support. So once you're here, there's a little button that says report a marketplace policy violation. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click, this is probably other marketplace policy violations. And then I'm going to put, here's this reference, sexual imagery or nudity. I think this is pretty good. Put this in parentheses, so that way they know right away. And then you would put, hi, ASIN. Where's the ASIN? Here it is. Oh. Has many images of, and we're going to actually reference the policy. Okay. of let's get this again one more time. I didn't let me copy it. Has many images of sexually suggestive content, images attached. The images are also intended to elicit a sexual response. You can see in the images attached that a woman figure is bending over, yada yada. So put all like what's going on into that. Bending over, and it is intended to elicit a sexual response. Something like that. You can put more information as you want. Now you can put the ASIN in here as well, and then you can put the seller's name, sold by Open Straight. There you go. And then you want to do the URL. Here's the URL. And then the policy. Here we go. The Amazon's policy. Oops. And then where it says add attachments, then you're going to add both of the attachments here. And you can also, what's the goal too? So I didn't put the goal. This product should have an adult flag on it. So children on Amazon would not see this product. This will improve the customer shopping experience. And this is going to help. Then you submit it, and then after you submit it, you can review the request, right? And go to brand support case log and see if it's approved, see what they do, and then you can double check the listing and then scroll down, see if they did get hit with an adult flag. You'll know they got hit with an adult flag if you go into incognito and you just type in like adultopoly and they don't show up, right? Or their sales rank is missing, or all of a sudden their sales, instead of saying 200 bought in the past month, it doesn't say that anymore, right? It goes down to 100 and then it doesn't show it. So then you'll start knowing, okay, the sales are decreasing, they can't run Amazon ads more, and all of that fun stuff. Now, if this doesn't work, I want you to double check what you say and see if you can make it better. Remember to add the goal. What's the goal here? Do you want Amazon to try to kick it off? If it's not allowed, what are the repercussions, right? So just kind of review, what are the repercussions for selling a type of product like this, right? But I do know it's an adult flag. I already know that. But double check the policy, what are the repercussions, and go from there so you can say what you want the punishment to be for the seller that's doing this, right? And you want to follow up with Amazon. That's tip number one for making it to the end of the video, making sure that you are following up. So go to support, right? Follow up. Hey, is there any update on this? And monitor it every single day. Number two is it's a numbers game. Remember that somebody is reviewing this. An actual human is reviewing this and clicking approve or deny. So your goal is to convince a human. Sometimes people like your cooking. Some other people don't like your cooking. It's going to be the same thing. Somebody's going to read it and be like, no, it's not sexual enough. Another person's going to read it and say, okay, this is sexual. I wouldn't want my children reviewing this. We're definitely giving them the adult flag. Once they give them the adult flag, it's very hard to get it removed. So again, it's a numbers game. Who you're contacting, don't give up. And then number three, and this is one of the biggest ones. Is doing a test buy. This is going to increase your chances by 90%. It's going to increase it 90% of you getting them removed or getting hit with the adult flag or whatever. So you're actually buy this product. You wait for it to arrive. Once you arrive, you're going to say, I actually did a real test buy. Here is my order ID. You're going to put the order ID. Then you're also going to take photos of like what they're violating. So now you're going to have HD photos of everything. You can also look at the reviews and see if somebody else has photos that can help. But you can actually take HD photos, and then Amazon knows you actually took time to do an order. And again, it's highly likely, a 90% chance that you'll get them removed. Test buys are key usually in this type of mess. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help on Amazon, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Link in the description to schedule a call or contact us when you have free time. And our #1 service is we'll come in, we'll look at all your competitors. If they are violating policies, we'll get them removed. We'll make a phase plan on your listings, help you with your advertising, customer service, design, and much, much more to increase your sales and help you manage your account. That's our full account management. Contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.